अलग से लगा तुम्हें परेशानी थी और ये सब खराब अलग चीज है, बट डिजाइन वाइज अगर हाँ मैंने देखा तो वाव आया।
This is what the upper top.
It will come, I think, with everyone. It will not be doing just for you.
ये बना देंगे इसमें।
Sami sir.
क्या?
चलो कम। सचिन सर और देखा ना।
क्षितिज आ जा। हाँ।
भाई साहब।
Sami sir.
ठीक है मैं बात कर ठीक है अभी बात कर।
ये Sami sir. Wait.
Remo also come.
जो इस वक्त कट निकाला ओके
Yeah, come.
ओके रेडी
थैंक यू थैंक यू।
Here we have inaugurated our Nikon Experience Room at Kanchan Films, and as you can see, the kind of you can say experience what we are creating is touch and type for all the Nikon latest products and the lenses. So customer can just ask for a product, what like which kind of product or body or lenses they are looking at, what kind of solution they are looking at, and the right kind of suggestion like he can get. And beyond that, this kind of place, it gives that kind of new experience created for to address the requirement of our creators, like new gen creators. They are looking at something which is easily they can try it out, they can experience what kind of content they want to shoot it, or what is the area where they want to spend, and that's what this outlet is, or this experience what we have created is. And we are looking forward to this place. Reason being, Chennai is very important. When we talk of Tamil Nadu itself, there is a contribution is very high across India. And Tamil Nadu is more forward-looking than you say. Now South cinema is the main cinema, and it is ruling everywhere, doing very good. And same way that reflects the creativity of the people from this place, whether it is a short films or the kind of content they are shooting. So we are coming out with such products also which are more cine-focused. Like we have this ZR, which is the newly launched product. New one with the Nikon Red, which you can see. So this association itself, it reflects the kind of offerings we have for our consumers. So that's all this purpose of being here today.
And how many such centers?
In Tamil Nadu, we have this is 6th, and Chennai it is 2nd. Across India, it is close to 140.
But and I just wanted to understand about the total industry. You know, how has it been, camera industry?
Industry is, you can say growth. It is close to 6 to 7% of the growth. If you look at year on year. And mainly it is more of a solution driven approach. Customers are looking at kind of gadget when they are migrating from a smart devices which you touched earlier. So yes, content creator pool is much more when we talk of smart devices, but beyond that, when they are looking at a device which is more proper to shoot the content, so the kind of videos they want to shoot it or the images they want to put it, their followers what they want to look at from their content. So to enrich their content, they are looking for a proper device, and then the digital like camera which is mirrorless or our cine products come very handy.
फ्रेम
And what is the revenue in like Nikon India?
Still March is going on.
Yes.
Please wait. But we are hopeful that we should cross public CR.
That's for India.
Yeah.
So and manufacturing wise, is there any sort of stress now that you know war happened and all that? That's creating some
Challenges remain in the part of the business. So our manufacturing is mainly at Thailand and Japan. So as of now, marketing.
and India manufacturing is any plan that you can start in it's all going to be
Yeah, everything is import. And the same factories from where across the world products are going. This category, as I said, is limited numbers, units are limited. So we need to see how it shapes up with the time. Yes, our country, our consumers, they offer a lot of opportunity. So whether we look at our weddings, our festivities, our heritage, the architecture, I think a lot of things, possibilities in India. But we need to see how it progresses.
And one final thing to wrap it up, the distribution side, how much of it will be going from online e-commerce stores and how much from such retail stores?
So online we are not doing direct, like maybe some of our partners are present on online, but roughly if I say maybe it is close to 10-15% must be happening, but we don't have that. Thank you.
I believe maybe the industry wise you can ask them, it is very high. I believe one of such product which is maximum. Currently it is not affecting, I will say it is helping because everybody is becoming a content creator, like we are shooting at least images or videos. So that first time the interaction of the consumer is with smart devices. When they might try to migrate for a product or they are looking for a proper device, then it is whichever mirrorless camera or our Sony products or our lenses. Then they can see the difference, how what kind of content they want to shoot it. So partners, yes.
कलर कॉम्बिनेशन
कौन सा ये ब्लैक एंड
ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट लाइट्स का मतलब ये आठ
ऐसे लग रहा है और कम टाइम में
सर लुक सर अरे
एक ही बार आ पाऊंगा क्या एक ही बार रास्ते में रुक जाओ यार कौन निकाले